Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying a simple 2-flavored cookie recipe, but the making process is really interesting. Let's see how to make this beautiful pinwheel cookies. For this recipe, you need some room temperature butter. So take around half a cup of room temperature butter into a large bowl. Add in some powdered sugar and combine it well. Once the sugar is well mixed in with the butter, take a hand blender and blend it till the butter becomes slightly fluffy. Now into that, add in few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now let's start adding all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking powder, some cornstarch, first combine these dry ingredients with the butter using a spatula. Then use your hands to mix it and make this into a cookie dough. If you find the dough bit dry, you can add few tablespoons of milk and mix it. Now the cookie dough is ready. I separated half of the cookie dough into another bowl and added some cocoa powder. In this 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon I replaced it with dark cocoa powder just to get that extra dark color. Add few tablespoons of milk, mix it and make it into a chocolate cookie dough. Now the white and the chocolate cookie dough is ready. Let's make the pinwheel design cookies. For that, first you need to make small balls out of this both white and chocolate cookie dough. For the same measurement, you can take from 1/4 to half teaspoon cookie dough. Now to make the design, take 2 balls from each color, place it alternatively, press it together. Take that onto your palm and slowly swirl it. You should do this very gently and you can see the beautiful design is forming. Once you're happy with the design, slightly press it down the cookie and one design is ready. Let's make another one. And this one I'm making with 3 chocolate balls and 3 vanilla balls. Just repeat the same process and you got a slightly different design for this cookie. Once you're done with all the cookies, place that onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake it at 170-degree preheated oven for 16 to 18 minutes. And then our beautiful pinwheel cookies are ready. These buttery cookies look so beautiful and taste amazing. It's perfect for gifting, so do try it out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.